Namaste everyone. As we know that we are going through algebraic expression. So today I will be solving some of the question of exercise 9.5, question number 6, 5 number. So the question is given 5.2 square. Now, so let me break this 5.2, 5 plus 0.2. So since square is there, so you write square. Now you can see this is become a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square formula is a square, that is 5 square plus 2 into ab. So a is our 5, b is 0.2 plus b square, that is 0.2 square. Okay, now 5 square is 25. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So 20 right, but since here one decimal is there before one digit, so put here one decimal point, it will be 2.0 plus, now 0.2 square, it will be 2 square is 4, point is there, so at least we have to give before 2 digit, because here you see before 1 digit point is there, so square means before 2 digit you to give. Now you add this number 25, then it is 2.0, 2.0 and 0.04, so 0.04. Okay, 25 we can write 25.0. Now you add, so it will become 4072. So answer is 27.04. Okay, let us take few more examples. So question number 6, 9 number. It is given 10.5 into 9.5. So how can we use identity here? So 10.5 can be written as 10 plus 0.5. Again 9.5. Okay, since into is there, we will give a multiplication sign. 9.5, it can be written as 10 minus 0.5. Okay, now you see which identity this is. This is A and this is B. Again this is A, this is B. So you see A plus B into A minus B. So that means A plus B, A minus B. The formula is A square minus B square. So A square, that is 10 square, minus B square, that is 0.5 square. Now 10 square is 100. 0.5 square, it is 0.25. Now you just subtract 0.25 from 100. So 100 can be written as 100.00. Now 0.25, just to subtract. So it will become 10, 10 minus 5 it is 5, 9 minus 2 7. So this will become 9, 9. So the answer is 99.75. Okay. So 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. Okay, so this is A square minus B square formula. So what is the formula? A square minus B square? It is A plus B into A minus B. So this is the formula. Now A, so this is our A, this is B. So A plus B, that means 12.1 plus 7.9. Okay, into A minus B, 12.1 minus 7.9. So now 12.1 plus 7.9, what will be the answer? 9 plus 1, it is 10, 0, carry 1, 7, 8, 9, plus 1, 10, carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, it is 20.0. Now multiply. From 12.1, if you subtract, from 12.1, if you subtract 7.9, so what will be the answer? So it is 4.2. 4.2. Now you just multiply 20 with 4.2. Simple, you see, you can do it orally, because if I multiply this 2 with 4.2, what will be the answer? So 2 into 2, it is 4, and 4 into 2, 8. Okay. Now with this, 1 0 is there, with 20 1 0 is there, so if you have to put 1 0 at last. Now you see 4.2, that means before one digit decimal point is there, so you give here one decimal point. 20.0 can be written as only 20, so the answer will be 84. Let us take one more example of question number 8. Okay, 5.1. 5.1, what we can write, it is 5 plus 0.1, okay, into 5.2, it can be written as 5 plus 0.2. Now you see, this 5 we can take as x, 0.1 as a, and 0.2 as b. So there is a formula, okay, that is, the formula is like this. Okay, let me once write down the formula. X plus a into, it is x plus b. So the formula is like this: x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So this is the identity which I am going to use in this problem. Okay, so x square, it is 5 square plus a into b. So the formula is x square plus a plus b. So a is our 0.1, b is 0.2 into x. So x is 5 plus a into b. So 0.1 into 0.2. Okay. Now 5 square, it is 25, plus 0.1 plus 0.2, it will be 0.3 into 5 plus 0.1 into 0.2. So it will be 0.02. Okay,